Okay, let's say that we want to include images, pictures and so on. So all this we call as figure. We call as figure. So whatever diagram, images, okay, not table, diagram, images, drawings, we call it figure. So in APA, for any figure, we need to actually include here, okay, normally this will be centralized, align center, okay, and let's say this is figure 1. Okay, so if you put this in chapter, let's say this is chapter 2, the first image of figure in chapter 2, it becomes figure 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.10, 2.11, chapter 2. So if the figure is then, you go into chapter 3, there is another figure, a diagram, figure 3.1. Okay, so this is figure 2.1. Sometimes you put a colon, sometimes just space. It depends on the writing style for the thesis. So you have to refer to the manual in writing your thesis later on. Figure 2.1, let's say I put this as a colon, figure 2.1, this is let's say this is Muhammad Ali in Kazakhstan, a title, just a name. Okay, now the figure, okay, when you have image, you have figure, the figure must be this one must be placed at the bottom of the image, not at the top, at the bottom. And you need to mention before you find this image, okay, before you have this image, then you need to actually mention, let's say we have Muhammad Ali is very popular worldwide. Okay, worldwide. Okay, figure 2.1, okay, shows Muhammad Ali doing a selfie in front of a masjid in Kazakhstan. Okay, meaning that here what I'm trying to show you is that you cannot suddenly have this particular image. Before you have this image, somewhere within the previous paragraph, the paragraph before the image, you have to mention figure 2.1 shows, okay, something like this before. Okay, if you put this like this, okay, sometimes many students like to put this here. Okay, see, you have this picture and suddenly figure 2.1 shows Muhammad Ali doing a selfie. Okay, this is wrong. This is wrong. Why? Because you have the image, then only you mention figure 2.1. You must put this before. So you mention first figure 2.1 should blah 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 blah, and then you have this particular image. Okay, this particular image. So figure, this one must be put before the image. Okay, let's say that this particular image is copyrighted. Okay, you take from somewhere, so you need to actually take this from, how do you cite the image? Okay, let's say that we go to the reference, manage source, okay, new, okay, new, now, okay, performance, film, okay, this particular image, there's no actually citation for image, but normally that particular image will come from a particular website. Normally it will come from a particular website. So perhaps you have this website, it's not art, this is art, meaning that a picture of Picasso, this is sound recording, performance is a drama, film, interview, pattern, case, miscellaneous. Okay, what is this miscellaneous? Okay, this is so normally we take this from a website. Okay, now we take this from a website, and the same process. Okay, let's say that we have the website just now. Okay, let's say this is taken from Tinju Ali. Okay, this is okay, this is Tinju Corporation. Okay, this one. No. Okay, this is, we copy here. You see, this is copy just now. Okay, just now we have deleted this, right? We have deleted this. Okay, but this is in the master list. So you highlight in the master list, it's not here. So you highlight this and you, this copy, you have Tinju Corporation. Okay, then we close. Now this is actually, this particular picture is taken from this particular website. So you highlight this, insert citation, this one. So remember, if you take any diagram or anything, just the diagram actually, from any website whatsoever, still you need to cite. You need to cite. So if there's nothing saying, you can cite here. Figure 2.1 shows he is in Kazakhstan. So just cite it this here. Okay, meaning that we know that this particular image is taken from a particular website. Okay.